Are you ready to master Capcut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick Capcut tutorials for easy editing solutions. So now I'll show you how to do the 3D text effect in Capcut. Now before I move into the main part of the video, if you want to elevate these transitions to the next level and make your video stand out, I recommend adding a background track and sound effects. And what this will do is really elevate the video and make these transitions pop. Now, where do you get your background sounds from and the sound effects? That is where Epidemic Sound will step in. There's no need to worry about copyright claims and getting your videos taken down or anything like that with Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description below. It's well worth checking them out if you want to take your video production to the next level. So let's get back into the main video. So first let's head into the text here in the top corner. Then let's just drag any text onto our timeline. Let's just keep it simple and just type 3D. Then let's change the font and the font size and get it set up how we wish. So we'll have it looking like this. Then let's extend the font on our timeline. Once you have the font how you wish, right click on the font and select Create Compound Clip. Now we have our compound clip how we wish. Come back to the media, select the media you wish and drag it onto our timeline. Then highlight the media on the timeline, come over to the right hand side, then go to Video, Basic, then scroll down until you see Blend, then drop down the drop down options within Mode, then select Multiply. Now we can see the man dancing through the 3D text. However, it still doesn't look 3D, so let's copy that top media, then paste it back into our timeline. Let's go over to the right hand side and change that blend to normal. Now come up to the top again, video, but this time select cutout, then select auto cutout. This may take some time if you have a bigger clip. Then when we play it, perfect. So that's how to do the 3D text effects in Capcut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of Capcut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.